Oh, can you say hello, everyone? What are you doing?
Pink ball. And yes, yellow balls. And brown balls.
That's brown. I thought that's red.
Whoa.
Oh, can you show them how to wash your face? That's how you wash your face. Okay.
Poop.
Oh, did you fart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eggs.
Do you eat eggs?
No.
No? Are you sure you don't eat eggs?
Whoa. Maybe there's so many little balls.
Wow, so many balls. Wow.
Maybe so many little balls.
Okay. So
Babies.
yeah.
Maybe so many little balls.
Yeah, baby, so many balls. Okay. What are the colors of the balls? Can you tell me what do you do after eating? After eating, what do you do? Do you know how to brush your teeth? That's how you brush your teeth? Okay. Toothbrush, yeah. Wow.
What do teeth?
Yeah, you brush your teeth. And then what else do you do? Oh, you talk to them? Can you show them how to play the balls? Oh, that's how you play the balls?
Show me the colorful balls.
Wow, so many colorful balls.
The pink balls.
There is pink balls.
And the brown balls.
Brown balls, okay. And what are you doing?
To treat the colorful balls.
Oh, okay. Do you know how to juggle?
Whee!
Wee, that's how you juggle.
Wow.
Can you show them how to wash your hands? Oh, that's how you wash your hands.
Clean my hands.
And that's how you dry your hands. Wow. And
Let's go to sleep.
oh, okay, yeah, you go to sleep after you wash your face and brush your teeth.
I don't know.
What do you don't know?
Ladybugs.
Oh, ladybug.